Your voice, the sweetest sound. The stars lean close, the rhythm slow, and every breeze begins to glow. Your laughter hums through smoky air, a tender song beyond compare. Each look you give a subtle flame. The world dissolves when you say my name. Soft sax cries, the bass line deep, the music wakes what hearts still keep. Sapphire night, our hearts entwine, lost in rhythm, lost in time. Every sigh, each whispered plea still holds the light you gave to me. The candle burns its final gleam. We drift within a blue tint dream. The trumpet weeps, the organ hums, and love's refrains forever strums. The city sleeps, the hour is late, but melody can't hesitate. Each note a step, each breath divine. In sapphire night, your soul meets mine. Sapphire night, don't fade away. Hold this warmth till break of day. In your eyes, the truth I see, love's eternal symphony. So let the dawn come soft and slow. Its light will find the love we know. Sapphire night still softly plays in every heart where memory stays. Candlelight upon the wall, flickers soft where shadows fall. The air is warm, the record spins. The night begins where love begins. I hear your laugh through smoky haze, like jazz that drifts through gold. each note a memory's refrain, each tear a spark of love and pain. The organ hums, the world stands still. I feel your heart, I always will. Candlelight echoes through the years, soft as dreams, sweet as tears. Your name still hums through old guitar, reminding me of who we are. Oh, clock ticks the time away, but your tune's here, it loves to stay. The saxophone begins to cry and pulls my soul into the sky. The record hums our secret song. I've loved you silent, loved you long. Each chorus glows, each moment stays like golden smoke in twilight haze. Candlelight echoes soft and slow, through every chord your spirit flows. No matter where the daylight goes, love's old flame forever glows. So let it play our melody through every dusk eternally. Candlelight fades, but hearts still know the echo of your soul's warm glow. Golden hour paints the sky, love reflected in your eye. The world slows down, the air turns mild, your touch so warm, so undefiled. The radio hums a gentle chord, each note a prayer, each sound adored. You take my hand, the silence sighs as sunlight fades where beauty lies. The organ hums its mellow glow, the night begins its tender show. Golden hour, promise stays through the dust, through all our days. Every dream, every vow still belongs to here and now. Soft shadows fall across your face like rhythm wrapped in velvet. saxophone begins to weep and stirs the love we always keep. Through amber tones the heart believes what fades will bloom in autumn leaves. The record spins, the light turns low, but love's refrain will always glow. Golden hour, promise true, the sun may set, but not on you. Through every chord your warmth remains like gentle rain through window panes. Golden hour, stay a while, your light still wears his loving smile. Through time's embrace, through skies that gleam, you are the glow within my dream. Under streetlights, silver gleam, love drifts softly through a dream. Every sigh, a quiet tune, floating slow beneath the moon. Velvet night and whisper rain, your touch dissolves my old refrain. A gentle waltz, a smoky bar, your eyes outshine the evening star. The trumpet weeps, the bass line sways, we dance through all our yesterdays. Moonlit teardrop avenue, where every note still sings of you. Our shadows blend, our hearts align, lost in love's old 1950s time. Curtains sway, the record hums, sweet perfume on lips that numbs. Your laughter's glow, a spark divine, the world slows down. You're mine, you're mine. Through the smoke and soft cafe light, you held my hand through endless night. Each teardrop fell in silver hue, but every fall still led to you. Moonlit teardrop avenue still echoes all that we once knew. Though time may fade the golden tone, your melody will lead me home. Moonlit teardrops fall in line, old souls may wear hearts entwine. Under the glow of love's debut, I'll dream forever of you. Twilight hummed a golden tune, the city sighs beneath the moon. I trace your name on fogged up glass and pray this feeling never pass. Your shadow dances through the room like perfume caught in fading bloom. The record spins its gentle plea, a love song lost in memory. Soft brass whispers through the haze, love's refrain from better days. Twilight vinyl dreams remain, every groove repeats your name. In the hush of midnight's call, I still hear you through it all. Window light through amber wine, your laugh still echoes down the line. The saxophone begins to cry. I close my eyes and time slips by. Through the static, through the glow, your voice returns so sweet, so slow. Every chord a touch, a kiss, fading soft into the mist. Twilight vinyl dreams of you. In every note I find what's true. The night may end, but not this sound, where love and longing both are found. Spin again, my twilight friend. Let this melody never end. Under stars our souls still gleam, forever bound in a vinyl dream. Velvet radio plays our song. I hum the tune, been all night long. Your voice still lives between the lines, where love remembers, time resigns. Cafe lights and amber smoke, your laughter wrapped in every note. We dance slow through static air, like we were free without a care. The saxophone sighs through silver air, every tone says you're still there. Velvet heart radio, playing low through every wave. Your memory flows, love's refrain, soft and true. Still I'm here, still loving you. Fade Your ghost still lingers in the room. The needle hums, the record spins, like time forgot where pain begins. Echoes dance through midnight rain. Old refrain, it calls your name. Every chord feels close and near. You're the song I long to hear. Velvet heart, radio never ends. Your melody gently bends. Even silence sounds like you. In the rhythm I drift into. Velvet heart, play once more. Love sweet tune forevermore. Wherever I go, whatever I do, my velvet heart still plays for you. Soft smoke drifts through silver skies. Love still glows behind your eyes. The night recalls a gentle sound where all my dreams of you are found. The record spins its quiet grace. I trace your name in time and space. A sip of wine, a whispered tune. Our love still hums beneath the moon. Saxophone sighs. The bass walks slow through amber air. The memories flow. Soft smoke, horizon wide. Love still lingers side by side. Through every note, your soul appears. A melody that calms my fears. Curtains fall, but light remains. Your shadow dances in refrains. The trumpet cries, the rhythm sways. We waltz through all our yesterdays. breath of sound, each fragile line carries a spark that once was mine. Through vinyl haze and golden hue, I still find my way to you. Soft smoke, horizon true, all my songs still dream of you. In the hush where dawn will start, you still echo in my heart. Soft smoke fades, but not your name. Through time's refrain, you stay the same. Every sigh the night has known still sings of love we've gently sown. Midnight lays across the floor, soft perfume and dreams once more. The record hums our secret rhyme, two hearts still cold in 1969. Your jacket rests upon the chair, the scent of smoke still lingers there. The lights grow dim, the clock stands still, and every chord recalls your will. Saxophone whispers low and blue, every tone still sounds like you. Midnight lace, memories stay where time forgot to fade away. Through velvet tones and silver cries, love still lives where silence lies. Your laughter burns like candles flame, fading soft but never tame. I close my eyes, the night feels near, and every note brings you back here. Old cafe walls, the air still warm. Your rhythm hums through every storm. Through every line I find my grace, lost again in your embrace. Midnight lace, memories flow through every song. I let you go. Still the vinyl softly plays our love's refrain through endless days. Midnight lace and golden hue, my soul still drifts in search of you. In every hum, in every key, you live inside this melody. Amber rain falls down the glass. Moments fade, but memories last. The radio hums a lover's tune, while twilight kisses the pale moon. Your coat still holds the scent of rain, a gentle ache I can't contain. Each drop against the window pane repeats your name again, again. Trumpet sighs where love once stayed. Old refrain the night replayed. Amber rain whispers low in every drop. Your shadow glows like the vinyl's crackling plea. You still sing inside of me. Streetlights shimmer golden gray. I see your smile then fade away. The jukebox hums our melody. Time slows down eternally. Softly through the smoky air, your voice returns from anywhere. Each rhythm falls a tender cry that love like ours will never die. Amber rain whispers true. Every sound still leads to you. Through the storm, through the pain, I still dance beneath the rain. Amber rain falls this heart